Hello friends, today I am now going to discuss about some matrix problem based on JEE, CSIR net, GATE, etc. So let's start the matrix problems. So first of all, I will I will try to bring some new question near you in front of you on the matrix. So let's start discussion. First problem. What is the first problem? In the first problem, determinant, let us consider A is a matrix, that is 3 by 3 matrix, 3 by 3, 3 by 3 matrix. Determinant of A is 6 and two eigenvalues are given. Eigenvalues are given by 1 and 2. A 3 by 3 matrix is given, not precisely given, only it is given that A is a 3 by 3 matrix and its determinant is given as 6 and two eigenvalues are given. Third eigenvalues is not given. What we know for 3 by 3 matrix, how many numbers of eigenvalue we will get? The numbers of eigenvalue for a 3 by 3 matrix we will get, that is 3. 3 eigenvalues we will get. So a 3 by 3 matrix is given, eigenvalue 1 and 2 are given. Now what is the question? So question is that what will be the third eigenvalue? That means here I am denoting by lambda 3. It is the first question, and second question is that trace of adjoint of a matrix. So two questions are given. One is determinant of one is third eigenvalue will be what, and another is trace of adjoint of A. So let's start discussion. For solving this, there are two methods. So first method, determinant of A is given as 6. Two eigenvalues are given, 1, 2, and third eigenvalue is what then? So first of all, we have to know a property of the matrix. What is the property of that matrix? Trace of, first telling the trace of the matrix equals sum of trace of the matrix equals sum of eigenvalues. Because I am showing you something, because let us consider A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. It is a 3 by 3 matrix, and trace of the matrix is what? Sum of the diagonal element. Now our formula is sum of the diagonal element equals sum of the eigenvalues. For 3 by 3 matrix, we will get 3 eigenvalues, lambda 1 plus lambda 2 plus lambda 3. So trace of the matrix is sum of the eigenvalues, and the second formula is that, which is applicable for the solving the question here as determinant is given. So determinant of a matrix equals product of eigenvalues, lambda 1, lambda 2 into lambda 3. Lambda 1, lambda 2 and lambda 3 are the eigenvalues of A, that 3 by 3 matrix. So here we will apply this formula, because we have what? We have determinant of A equals 6. We have two eigenvalues 1 and 2. So from that we have to obtain lambda 3, that is third eigenvalue. Okay, let's start. So determinant of A equals 6. So what we will do now? Determinant of A equals lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 equals 1 into 2. Two eigenvalues are given to us. 1 into 2 into lambda 3. Here determinant equals 6. 6 is given. So what we are getting? Let us write on a fresh page. 6 equals 1 into 2 into lambda 3, that is lambda 3 equals 6 by 2, that is 3. So first answer we have got lambda 3 equals 3, that is third eigenvalue. It is the third eigenvalue is 3. Now the next question is what? Next question is trace of adjoint of A. This is the next question. So go for it. Let's go for it. The next question. Next question is trace of adjoint of A. So for obtaining trace of adjoint of A, we will do two methods, method 1 and method 2. We will obtain this by two methods. Method 1. Method 1 is trace of adjoint of A equals method 1 lambda 1 lambda 2 plus lambda 2 lambda 3 plus lambda 3 lambda 1. First method. And the second method is, so first discuss with the first method, after that we will go for the second method. So according to the first method, if we have been asked to obtain trace of adjoint of the A matrix, trace of adjoint of A matrix, then what is the formula? Lambda 1 lambda 2 plus lambda 2 lambda 3 plus lambda 3 lambda 1. Okay, so what are the eigenvalues we have? We have recently got third eigenvalue as 3. So trace of adjoint of A, we have 3 eigenvalues, 1, 2, 3. So lambda 1 into lambda 2, lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3. There are 3 eigenvalues, 1 into 2, lambda 1 into lambda 2 plus lambda 2 into lambda 3, that is 2 into 3 plus lambda 3 into lambda 1 plus 3 into 1. So 2 plus 6 plus 3 equals 1. So this is the answer, trace of adjoint of A, that is 11. So by method 2, another method, there is another method of obtaining the eigenvalue, third one eigenvalue also. So what is the method 2? Method 2. So for eigenvalue A, lambda, for a matrix A, eigenvalue is the lambda. So for adjoint of A, what will be the eigenvalue? Remember this formula. If A is a matrix and his eigenvalue is lambda. Now if we take adjoint of a matrix, then what is the formula? Determinant of A by lambda. This is the formula. That means, let's discuss this in a fresh page. If you are given a matrix A whose eigenvalue is lambda, now if you have been given the determinant, then if you are asking, if someone is asking you, if you are being asked, or if someone is asking you, then say what will be the eigenvalue of adjoint of A. You have matrix A and its eigenvalue is lambda, then what will be the eigenvalue of adjoint of A? So the formula is determinant A, eigenvalue of adjoint of A, formula is determinant of A by lambda. So we have determinant A equals what? 6. So A is the matrix, eigenvalue of adjoint of A equals, we have determinant equals A equals what? 6, and 3 eigenvalues are what? 1, 2 and 3 we have. So eigenvalue of adjoint of A equals 6 by lambda, 6 by 1, 6 by lambda 2, 6 by 2 and 6 by lambda 3. That will be 6, 3, 2. So eigenvalue of adjoint of A are 6, 3, 2. So we know what? We know now what we have been asked, trace of adjoint of A, and what we have got, eigenvalue of adjoint of A, 6, 3, 2. And what is the formula that we have asked, that we have discussed at the very first? The trace of the matrix Let us consider adjoint of A itself is a matrix, and the trace of matrix is what? Trace of matrix is the sum of the eigenvalue. So simple plus. So 11. So for the timing, I'm finishing this video. So I will continue this matrix series in my next videos for the JEE aspirants or CSI or NET aspirants or GATE aspirants, for PhD entrance or NET exam, whatever. These will be helpful for you for board exam also. Thank you.